in Baltimore. Just a peaceful day, people crossing the street. Then out of nowhere, here they come. Illegal dirt bikes. I haven't seen a bunch of dirt bikes in the city in a minute. It's always a couple, but not as many as I saw this night. The only thing on my mind is, please do not hit my car, because then my business is down. Whatever your opinion on illegal dirt bikes, this is dangerous. Now this car, it has a signal on, and you think they just want to get over one lane. But as they get over, they almost have an accident right in the intersection. Bad.